Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sanavla. I'm from and I will thankful to the Krishna community that they will provide this scientific by the name of scientific world. Today I will discuss about the watch, that how it works. The watch have three needles. The short needle tell us about the hour, and the longer needles tell about the minutes, and the third needle tell us about the seconds. Mr. Peter Hamlin, he make this watch for us, for the people, and in the same time there is no watch, so they take the help of sun, and they go to masjid, and everywhere they go. And nowadays the scientists will make the world, make this clock. With the help of clock we can do everything. With the help of clock we know in what time we can do what. With the help of clock we can go to center. With the help of clock we can pray the prayer. With the help of clock we can do everything, and we can spend a good day. And thank you for listening.